How to trade gold and commodities on forex.com. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the forex.com app. After you're in the app, make sure to log into your account first. Once you are logged in, you'll see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to trade gold and commodities on forex.com, you'll first need to create a trading account. Make sure this is not your demo account and you're using your trading account. After that, first of all, you will need to choose your desired gold or commodity market. It will offer you various trading instruments like futures trading, options trading, spot prices, stocks, and ETFs for gold and other commodities. So over here at the bottom, you can see different options. Select the market option, and if you extend the view, over here you can see different categories. You can select this commodities or ETFs option as per your preference. Now head over to your preferred stock. For now, I'm in the commodities section and I've opened up the chart of this particular commodity. Now, before placing your first positions, you need to ensure that you understand the order types like market orders, limit orders, and their implications. If you know that, now in order to trade these commodities, you can tap on buy or sell option in the top. Now, you will need to provide the trade size. After that, if you want to configure the take profit and stop loss functions, enable the feature of take profit and set the price which can amplify your profits. After that, you can enable the stop loss function too. Make sure that you take the low risk. So control that by setting up this stop loss function. After you configure everything, you can tap on this place buy trade option in the bottom. So that's how you can easily trade gold and commodities on forex.com platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.